Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register Changelly account. So you can come here to changelly.com, and what you need to do is just come to the top right, okay? And you click on this profile icon. And what it will do, it will take you right here to this page to create an account. You can either continue with email, fill in your email address, even if it's a work email, or you can click here, continue with Google. So once you do that, you have to choose an account to use. I'll use this email address right here, okay? And Google will allow Changelly to basically access these information about you. Come here, click on continue, and then you will be redirected. Basically, you're logged in, and click OK to accept the cookies. And after that, you just come at the top right, click on your profile icon, click on settings, and you can start your two-factor verification. Enable that, go ahead and set your password if you want. But basically, your account has been registered. You can start doing the exchanges, the buying process, selling as well. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.